In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync cards and checklist items with Trello automation. We're going to set up a simple, reliable Butler rule that keeps your work organized by turning checklist items into linked cards at the right moment, so you can track progress clearly across your board. First, open Trello and head to your boards view. Choose the board where you want this automation to live. You'll need permission to manage automations on that board, so if you can't see the automation option, ask a board admin to grant access. Inside the board, open Automation, then go to the Rules section. Rules are event-based automations that run when something specific happens, which is exactly what we want for syncing checklists and cards. Click Create Automation to start a new rule. Next, click Add Trigger. Choose the trigger that fits your workflow. Most teams use something like when a card is moved to or added to a specific list. Pick the list where you want syncing to kick in, for example, your In Progress or Ready list. Choosing a consistent list helps control exactly when new cards should be created from checklist items. Now click the plus sign to add an action. From the action options, select the one that converts checklist items into linked cards. Then choose the destination list for those new cards. This is great for turning a parent cards checklist into actionable subtasks that are visible in a team-facing list. If prompted, pick the specific checklist to convert. It's helpful to keep one checklist dedicated to subtasks and give it a clear name. Linked cards will reference the parent automatically, so you can jump back and forth easily. Click the plus sign to confirm the action in the rule builder. This adds the action to your rule so it runs every time the trigger fires. If you want to fine-tune behavior later, like routing items to different lists based on labels or keywords, you can always edit this rule and expand it, but start simple to avoid conflicts or loops. Finally, click Save. That's it. Your rule is live. A quick way to test is to create a card, add a checklist with a few items, and move the card into your trigger list. Butler will convert the items into linked cards in the destination list, keeping the parent card as your hub. If you don't see results right away, refresh the board and confirm the rule is enabled. With this setup, you've connected high-level planning on a card with actionable work across your board, all with clear links and zero manual duplication.